asphalt pattern, paving roads so wide. B is for bulldozer, pushing dirt aside. C is for crane, lifting up so high. D is for drill rig, reaching to the sky. E is earth mover, big and bold and strong. F is for forklift, carrying loads along. G is for grader, smoothing out the land. H is for haul truck, ready on demand. I is ice, resurfacer, cleaning up the ice. J is jet, load loader, super fast and nice. K is for knuckle boom, grabbing logs with care. L is for loader, lifting everywhere. M is mixer truck, spinning concrete round. N is narrow excavator, digging through the ground. O is oil tanker, rolling down the street. P is pile driver, pounding with its beat. Q is quarry truck, loading rocks so high. R is road roller, flattening as it drives by. S is scraper, scraping all the way. T is telehandler, saving work each day. U is utility truck, fixing lines and poles. V is vacuum truck, cleaning up the holes. W is water tanker, spraying here and there. X is extreme crane, lifting with great care. Y is yard loader, moving things with might. Z is zip loader, zooming out of sight.